Yan, kanta-kanta ka ha.
Ban naman siya sa pagduwas yan, kuya.
Tingin pa ka. O, tiga sa dinosaur.
Ang pagwapa ni mama ang nagihurot niya, gipanis niya sa tanang dinosaur. Danlog kayo na. Siya sa table kay mubo ang bangko at asa ng misa. Kapuyan siya.
Oh, yan na.
Let me see. Come here.
Yeah, I'm done. I'm done. Look. I should go that.
Very good. Well, not yet. We're not done. I'm just gonna review this first.
I should go.
Ano na naghoy man? Dagkog na kong sala?
Sa alas bono niya. Kapoy ba siya?
Ano man?
Ang instruction dire kay ikahon man ang tamang titik. Ang unang tunog nito. Si sakto man niyang gibuhat. Ay sakto man yung mga answers. Kaso lang kay circle. Instead nga ikahon. Dapat square
Iris
man.
na. Ikaw na lang iris ana.
Yun ako na pausap niya. Okay. Lagyan and check ang mga larawan.
Uy, si Ruben na nag-follow yung instructions.
Kaya po sila nagkahon nga. Puro mo na sila bilugan nga karon po sila magkahon. Wagi ko kasulay nga ibasag kahon dire.
Dili ko sige lang gud pauso po na gud nga. Lahi na pod ba?
Yes.
Jairus, do you know what is kahon?
Yes.
What is that? What is kahon? What you did here is bilugan. You did is bilog. The kahon is square in English.
Oh,
It's the one that has 4 sides.
So do you know what's your mistake?
Ano pa?
nope.
You have to kahon the letter here. But I'm gonna take care of it, okay? Don't worry. And how about here? Let me see. Again, check. Again. How did you know that you have to put check? Oh, you didn't.
It's X.
You just put cross.
Yeah.
No. What he wants in the what it wants in the instruction.
Cross.
Yeah. Listen to me. It said that you need to put check in the picture if the first letter, the first sound start with letter B. Sounds B. So for example, you did here is correct, but you shouldn't put X. You should put the check.
What?
Yeah, you have to put check if the picture listen to me, you have to put check, you have to put check if the picture sounds with B. And if it's not, what you gonna do? You put X. You cross it if it's not, if it doesn't start with B. Okay? Okay. Do it again.